Hi, I'm Mike Marinaro. I'm the president of the surgical robotics business for Medtronic. So the robotics market is one of the larger and faster growing markets in all of medical technology. It's currently about $6 billion with one large player and several smaller players before the entry of Medtronic into the marketplace, growing at about 15% per year and forecasted to grow at that rate over the next several years. It's a very exciting opportunity because it's still in a very nascent phase. Innovation continues to evolve here. We haven't solved all of the problems yet, and we're seeing that penetration inside of various procedures is growing at a very consistent rate. And so it's been a very durable market, a story of durable growth, and one that really has a lot of interest as we look to the future. India is one of the larger markets in Asia Pacific for the surgical robotics business. It's a growing market. There's a lot of interest and excitement around the opportunity here, and of course there's a very large population and very large and well educated and highly skilled physician base. And so that's going to fuel the growth of what surgical robotics will be, or the surgical robotic opportunity inside of the India subcontinent. India is an important part of the growth story of the surgical robotics market in that it's one of the 3 or 4 largest markets in the Asia Pacific arena. There's a highly skilled physician base here. There's a high level of interest in the capability of robots. In my time here meeting with customers in India, I hear and see the excitement to gain experience and to convert their procedures into robotics. And so I'm very optimistic about the growth opportunities here for this segment of the market, particularly in India. We approach this market much like other markets that we've helped to expand over the course of our history. Medtronic is the original medical technology company in the world, and we founded the company based on partnership between an engineer and a physician who created technology to then get to better care for patients. And then along the way to us becoming the largest medical device manufacturer in the world, we've grown through great partnership in training and education and ensuring that we are positioning ourselves as partners to the physician community. And it's through that partnership that we can now help drive the expansion of the robotics opportunity in markets around the world. It really does require this full partnership and training and education and also technology development in order to open up markets further. But we have a lot of experience in doing so over the course of our history. Placing a robotics experience center here in India is a rather an obvious choice. We have experience centers in several of the large markets around the world, and as we've previously discussed, there's a lot of opportunity here. And a surgical robot is something that is really it's critical to go and see it and feel it and understand how it can operate and understand where the value is. And so it's important for our customers and physicians and even patients to understand what it looks like and how it operates. And so placing that sort of focus here in this market really is an important step to get back to that training and education so that we can help to drive the opportunity here inside of India. There are 2 main differentiators of the Hugo platform, and then a third that is evolving as we go. The first is the open console design, and what that means is that our system is designed so that physicians are seated in a comfortable manner. They're able to communicate very clearly with their colleagues in the room around them. They're not stuck into a fully immersive environment. This environment allows them to interact with all their assistants in the environment. Secondly, we have what we call modular design. So we have four different sets of equipment that combine to make up the operating arms of the robot. That allows us to both move the system from room to room, so it creates greater flexibility for our robot, and also allows it to be used in a variety of settings. But it also allows for some approaches to surgery that allow physicians to position the robot and the instruments in a way that is not yet been available to them with competitive systems that are more fixed in nature. So our future plans are to continue to evolve Hugo. As mentioned previously, we're very excited about the reception of this effort. Our customers are really receiving it well. But as we think towards the future, we'll look for opportunities to now build out our digital ecosystem. So we have an ecosystem that surrounds the robot that is based on video capture, video replay, intra-procedural guidance, helping the physician understand structures and really helping the physician with the optimal amount of information that can really guide them during a procedure. And then, as just mentioned previously, building out a full suite of Medtronic instrumentation to be compatible with the robot. We are the market leaders in laparoscopic equipment and instruments. And so that is an area of focus for R&D for us as we move forward into the future as well.